Hi friends, I'm Professor Ushali Zadav. Today we discuss chemical kinetics. We study the third order of reaction. You know chemical kinetics. Chemical kinetics is the concern with the rate and mechanism of chemical changes. That means kinetics means we study the reaction rate and their mechanism. Rate of chemical reaction, that is the rate of the reaction, is defined as the decrease in the concentration of the reactant in unit time or increase in the concentration of a product in a unit time. Now we discuss the third order reaction. Previous year you study first order, second order reaction, zeroth order reaction. Now we study third order reaction. When concentration of the three reactants changes measurably at rate determining step, then the reaction is called third order reaction. In case of third order reaction, the sum of the exponents of the concentration term in the rate law is 3. Now experimental proof of this reaction. The most general reaction where three reactants are present can be written as following lines. A plus B plus C gives the product, or thrice A gives the product. The corresponding rate equation will be, now rate equation, you know the rate of reactant decreases, it shows by minus sign. Rate is equal to minus dA upon dt is equal to d concentration B upon T is equal to d concentration C upon dt. Now rate is equal to K3 A cube, or K3 concentration A, concentration B, concentration C. Now next, where A, B, C are concentration of the reactant A, B, C are respectively at time t. Consider a case where the initial concentration of all the reactant is equal. Equation 2 can be written as, we see the previous page, rate is equal to minus dA upon dt is equal to K3 A cube. Equation number 3. In integrated rate law of third order reaction with equal initial concentration, equation 3 integrating between the limit of t is equal to 0 and t is equal to t, and concentration A is equal to concentration A0 to A is equal to A, we get integrating in A0 and A limit. Integration A0 to A dA upon A cube is equal to integration 0 to t K3 into dt. Therefore 1 upon 2, applying this integration rules, 1 upon A square limit A0 to A is equal to K3 T0 to t. Therefore 1 half A 1 upon A square minus 1 upon A0 square is equal to K3 upon t. The expression for the third order rate constant K3 can be written as K3 is equal to 1 upon twice t into 1 upon A square minus 1 upon A0 square. Equation number 4. Now equation number 4 can be written as, let is the initial concentration of reactant A, X be the concentration of product, and A minus B the concentration of unreacted reactant at a time t. Now therefore A0 is equal to A and A is equal to A minus X. A0 means initial concentration at time 0 and A is A minus X, that means remaining concentration. Hence equation 4 become K3 is equal to 1 upon twice t into 1 upon A minus X square minus 1 upon A square. Equation number 5. Simplify further and written as K3 is equal to 1 upon twice t in bracket A square minus twice A into twice A x plus x square upon A square into A minus x square, bracket complete. Now K3 is equal to 1 upon t in bracket a square minus in bracket a square plus twice ax minus x square bracket complete divided by a square a minus x square bracket complete. In this in bracket sign is change. Now third order equation is k3 is equal to 1 upon twice a square into t in bracket x common x into twice a minus x divided by a minus x. This is equation number 6. Now characteristics of third order reaction. First characteristic of third order reaction is k3 is equal to 1 upon twice t in bracket 1 upon a minus x square minus a square can be rearranged and written as this equation 1 upon a minus x square is equal to twice k3 into t plus 1 upon a square. This is equation number 4. Now graph of this equation. Graph 1 upon a minus x square versus time t. Graph 1 upon a minus square versus t. You know this. And their intercept 1 upon x square. Slope is equal to twice k3. Now second characteristics. Half-life period of the reaction. The time needed to the react half of initial concentration of reactant is called half-life period, that is T1 half. When T is equal to 1 half, the reaction is half completed. At T1 half, X is equal to A by 2. Substituting this value, following equation is K3 is equal to 1 upon twice A square into T in bracket X twice A minus X upon A minus X square. Now next, at a given temperature, K3 is a constant for a particular reaction, hence T1 half inversely proportional to 1 upon A square. Therefore, half-life period of the third order reaction is inversely proportional to the square of initial concentration of the reactant. Now third characteristic of this reaction. Now unit of K3, that is rate constant unit, third order rate constant unit is liter square per mole square per second square. And example of third order reaction is twice NO plus O2 gives twice NO2, twice NO plus Cl2 gives twice NOCl, twice NO plus Br2 gives twice NOBr, twice NO plus H2 gives NO2 plus H2O. Now twice FeCl3 plus SnCl2 gives twice FeCl2 plus SnCl4. These are the example of third order reaction. Now you study this third order reaction. Thank you for watching for this video. Thank you.